6.
This is Talk. Suspects have a foothold in
Lead
this
to
area
Talk.
and they're refusing
Got a
to
wounded
cooperate.
civilian, sending Thames
Entry team,
immediately.
You are cleared to proceed with the mission.
All teams, split and cover.
Getting into position. Shit, it's locked.
Let's move.
Got it. I'm going. Open it on the left. Open it on the... Get the fuck down!
I thought you were one of them.
Drop the light. Cuffs are on. Got a bag.
Got it. Split and cover.
Moving into place. You're gonna be all right.
Split the stack on this door.
Roger. Civilian restrained.
Why are you
Shift to
keeping
the
me
left.
here? Can
Got
you
it.
talk to me?
LSPD, don't move! Move in, clear the room.
No contact.
Opening on the left.
Element to Talk. One civilian unresponsive.
Good.
Talk
Evidence secure.
reporting. Copy that, entry team.
Get down on your knees! Put your fucking hands up!
Bulletproof
Turn around.
glass.
Don't get up.
Sounds about right for Southside.
Stay still. Do not move.
Civilian is cuffed and good.
I ain't do shit, bro.
Secured.
LSPD, we're getting you out of here. Civilian is ready. Element to talk.
Blue team, open the door. Clear it.
This is Talk. Roger, entry team. Great work. Keep going.
Stay on me.
I got you.
Breaching! I'll get the clear on the left.
Hands up above your head. Down on your knees. Hands up. Get on the ground now.
Looks clear over here, boss.
Moving
Find cover.
On my way.
Right. I got nothing here.
Moving into handcuff.
Entry team to Talk. We have a civilian in our custody.
Talk to entry team.
Civilian is cuffed and good to go. Let's go!
Opening on the left.
Civilian is ready. Talk. Civilian secured.
Talk reporting. Roger, trailers inbound.
Looks good.
Going in! Got an opening here.
Talk. We have one civilian down.
Talk to entry team. Copy that, entry team. Proceed with mission.
Get on the ground now! Provide support on me.
On you.
Provide support.
You got point.
Split the door.
I'm good to go.
Unlocked.
Move in. Clear it.
All right.
Going in!
Opening on the right.
Opening on the left.
Good here.
Chem line out.
Looks clear over here, boss.
Talk reporting. Copy that. Put him on safe and let him hang.
Good here.
job.